Apply some pressure, go back and forth. Now do the same thing on the next side. Try to swap that over. And you're going to repeat that same process. Yeah. Same thing on the next side. And you're going to take that same pepper. Go ahead with the same. Same pepper here. Go all between the paws. Anywhere you see flesh, try to get that seasoning in there. Anyway. You don't have to use all of it. Just some. You almost there. It's too much. No, you're good. Go ahead, place it back into this pan, and you're gonna cut your lime in half. Squeeze the lime all over. Oh God. We're coming around with some more pepper if you would like it. A little bit more olive oil. Also, Tom, in the front of you, got your thumb. Here it comes. Alright, good. We're going to take our oxtail. Now, we are ready to cook the oxtail. Take it all with us. We're ready to put it right in. They all look oxtail right into the pan.